Hi guys, what's up? So to install quooka.js, you need to go to the extension, search for quooka, download this plugin from wallaby.js, and after that you need to press Command Shift P, search for quooka, and you have several options. You can start quooka with new file, with new TypeScript file, or with a new JavaScript file. Let's take an example from a new file. When you press it, you will have several options with examples. So we can take, for example, this one, and we can see that we have two arrays. Each change that we do, we will see the result on the fly, so you can play with it. This is a great playground. You will get also the red or green rectangle to see if this is a valid row. Let's take one more example. Create quokka with new file and just go to other example, for example the filter one. So here it say that if the word length is bigger than 6, so take it. Let's edit. So when I edit, you will get on the fly the result. It's very convenient to check your inner code. So download it and use it. It's great plugin and a great playground tool.